Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is 16th May. Do you know what is celebrated on this day every year? If you thought it's the World Sun Bear Day, you're right. These bears are considered the least studied bear species. That's why I believe that most of you didn't even know about its existence, leave alone the fact that they are found in India. So, on today's occasion, I'll tell you 10 lesser known and small facts about the bear, just like the bear itself. The first fact is that they are the only tropical bear species on Earth. Even more specifically, sun bears are one of two bear species to live in the southern hemisphere. The other species of bear that lives below the equator is the spectacled bear, which is found in the continent of South America. The second fact is that each bear has its own unique sun marking. Well, it wouldn't take a genius to find out that the bear was named after its sun marking. No two bears have the same rising or setting sun printed on their fur. In fact, their scientific name, Helarctos, comes from two Greek words, Helios for sun and Arctos for bear. The third fact is that they have very long tongues. Their tongues are around 25 centimeters long and they use this to get honey and insects from hard to reach places. Due to their love for honey, they are also known as honey bears. The fourth fact is that they are the smallest bear species. The fifth fact is that sun bears can stand on the hind legs to get a better view of the surroundings or to intimidate potential predators. The sixth fact is that, unlike other bear species, they do not hibernate. This is because they live in forests which have food all year round. The seventh and the sad fact about them is that they are usually sold as pets. The eighth fact is that sun bears can cradle their young. Some sun bear mothers have been seen to stand on their hind legs and hold their young in their arms in a cradling position. The ninth fact is that they are important for seed dispersal. The 10th fact is that they have the same lifestyles as orangutans. How are they similar? Well, they are both tree dwellers, meaning they spend most of the time up in the canopy of trees. The bear even builds its nest up in the treetops, just like orangutans. However, sun bears are nocturnal, whereas the orangutans are diurnal. The video ends here. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are interested in such content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.